COVID is eye-opener for every politician. I have seen many changes in the society. Why? Because we have got sufficient time to understand what is happening HY world. So how to go forward. So we have constructed many irrigation dams, we have established universities, we have established all these IT and software, other service sectors. We have improved our energy. Now, earlier we used to measure with gold, country economy. Today, we have to measure with energy, sustainability, renewable energy. This is how we have to measure a country development or country economy. So, I have observed that whatever developed countries, what is their strength? Their strength is energy. Energy consuming. Based on the consuming of energy, your manufacturing capacity in other way. So, my state is today consuming 17,000 megawatts average per day. So, by 2034, we have targeted $1 trillion economy. By 2047, we have targeted $3 trillion economy. So, if I wanted to reach by 2034 $1 trillion economy, I have to improve my energy 17,000 to 35,000 megawatts. If I wanted to reach that 35,000 megawatts, I have to address these thermal other issues, non-polluted energy. It is PSP, solar, wind, or other measures. So my target is 90% of energy I wanted to produce in green energy. So if I wanted to reach there, I have to plan myself. There we have adopted our policy. Our policy document we have unveiled in December 2025. So my mega master plan is saying that I have divided into 3 zones in my state.